Only tool needed for this install is a Phillips screwdriver. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today I'll show you how to install Spyder taillights on a 1999 to 2006 GMC Sierra. So first, let's open up the tailgate. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove two screws holding the taillight. Have one here and here. Next, we're going to unseat the taillight by pulling it straight back. And then from here, disconnect all three bulb sockets by turning it counterclockwise. Go ahead and bring over your Spyder taillight, turn it over to the back. Before we install these bulb sockets into your taillight, make sure the rubber gasket seal is intact to prevent any moisture for all three of them. And make sure you have an amber turn signal bulb. So I'm gonna start with the top one, which is your parking and brake. Install that into the taillight assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Do the same for the other two. Now carefully seat your taillight. Reinstall your two Phillips screws. Now that we're done installing the driver's side taillight, let's repeat the same process to the passenger side. Now that we're finished with this taillight install, let's close the tailgate and test all our taillight functions.